Today we have a Herocut 45i. Came in from Amazon. I thought I'd do a quick unboxing of it. There weren't a lot of reviews on there of this particular machine, so we'll unbox it and see what's in there. It's packaged pretty securely. The box does say fragile on it. It's little bitty. Box does say though, if you wonder about capacity, 4/5 of an inch, which, you know, in the US we don't really, you can't buy 4/5 of an inch steel. On 240 volts, that would be the clean cutting thickness, or 20 millimeters. And then if you're on 120, this is a dual voltage machine, you have to have a clean 120, but it will cut 2/5 of an inch. It'll sever an inch. So it looks like you know, pretty quality unit right out of the box. It is packaged well. Another cardboard box inside of it's going to be the torch. Some extra consumables. Got an operation manual in here. Ground clamp. It's kind of a dinky-ish ground clamp, but it'll do the job. Shoulder strap to carry, I assume. And here's the torch. So it's an IPT60. You can get other consumables on Amazon to replace once you exhaust your supply that comes with the unit in the box. Got a voltage adapter, so there's 120 to 240, which should fit what I have going on here in my own shop. Let's check out extra consumables real quick. So we've got a set of 5 spare tips, it looks like, in there. All right, so that's the Herocut 45i. Herocut 45i.